Hey there! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy way to apply a green screen effect to your videos. Whether it's a mobile screen recording, a screen video, or even isolating a person from the background. First, open your browser and search for Runway. Click on the result titled Runway, Tools for Human Imagination. Once you're on the website, click on the Get Started button. You'll now see several options on the dashboard. From the menu that appears, select Video Editor Projects. Here, you'll create your first project, so click on the Create New Project button. Choose Green Screen from the list. Click on the plus symbol icon to upload the video you want to work on. Select your video file, and once it uploads, drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Runway will begin analyzing your video. To apply the green screen effect, click on the area you want to select. For example, if it's a mobile screen, click on it, and the tool will detect and apply the green screen effect to that area. In some cases, you may notice areas that weren't included or parts that were incorrectly selected. To fix this, you can use the Exclude and Include tools. Click on Exclude to remove unwanted parts from the selection or use Include to add missing areas. If you prefer more precision, you can use the Brush tool. Simply select the brush icon, choose whether you want to include or exclude areas, and paint over the specific sections. Once you're satisfied with your selection, press Preview to see how the green screen effect looks across the entire video. If everything looks perfect, you're good to go. Once you're completely satisfied with your selection, click on the Done Masking button. Now, let's say we were trying to green screen the mobile screen, but the tool has done the opposite. Don't worry. Simply click on the Invert option, and boom! Now, let's try applying the green screen effect to another video. Once the video uploads, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, go to the green screen option again, and it will take you to the same interface you used earlier. Click on the area you want to apply the green screen to. If certain areas aren't detected properly, click on those areas to include them in the selection. After everything is selected, click on Preview to ensure that the green screen effect is applied throughout the video. Once you're happy with the results, press the Done Masking button. Finally, let's preview the entire video one more time to confirm the effect looks perfect. Once you've confirmed everything looks perfect, click on the Export option and select Export Video. After the export process is complete, the video will appear on the Assets page. Click to go to the Assets page, where all your exported videos are stored. Locate the video, download it, and let's open it in Premiere Pro to add the finishing touches. First, import the downloaded video into Premiere Pro. Then drag the exported video onto the timeline above it. Adjust the position and scale of the video to fit it perfectly over the office background. To remove the green screen, go to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Apply the Color Key effect to the video. Next, use the eyedropper tool to select the green color in the video, and it will start to disappear. Increase the color tolerance to refine the edges and ensure the green is fully removed. Once done, you'll see that we've perfectly isolated the subject from the video and placed it over the office background. Now, let's add a creative touch. Duplicate the video by holding Alt and dragging the clip upward to create a copy. Adjust the position of the duplicate video. To make it more dynamic, search for Horizontal Flip in the Effects panel. Apply it to the duplicate video and adjust its position again. You've created an effect where it looks like the two subjects are talking to each other. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more exciting content like this.